Morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Stay safe and stay home. Students, today is Monday 20th July 2020 and the subject is English literature. Textbook is read now and today our topic is Girls to the Rescue. Okay students, open book page number 50 and write short date over here 27 and 20. First question is the story tells of an army of insects and a flock of seagulls. So students, what is the army and what is a flock? Actually students, this is the group name of insects and flock is the group name of seagulls. So what is the name for a number of fish, ants, bees, puppies and lions? Actually students, these are called collective nouns. Okay, so students, let's see what are collective nouns. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals or things. Okay, so students, what is the name for a number of fish? So when there is a group of fish, so the group name of fish is called shoal of fish, and the group name of ants is called colony of ants, and the group name of bees is called swarm of bees, and the group name of puppies is a litter of puppies, and in the same way the group name of lions is called pride of lions. The brave little company crossed the country in big covered wagons. Nowadays we can travel much more easily and quickly. Name 3 ways by which you can move in comfort from one place to. So bus, car, train and aeroplane, etc. Okay students, question number 3 is the lake was called Salt Lake. So is there anything strange about this name? So lakes are usually of sweet water. That is strange about this name. Okay, its name is salt but its water is sweet. That is strange thing. So why do you think it was so called? It is because its water has salty taste. Which of the following have salt water? Bay, stream, sea, river, ocean or waterfall? So sea has salty water or ocean has salty water. A seagull is a bird which lives by the sea. How do you think these birds got their names? Wagtail, skylark, woodpecker, blackbird and cuckoo. Let's see how they got their names, of which qualities. So students, due to these qualities they got their name. Wagtail. Why its name is wagtail? By wagging his tail when it flies. Skylark. Why the name skylark? For hovering long in the sky. And why the name woodpecker? Why it got its name? Hammer in woods to search insects. And the blackbird name, how it got its name? Due to the black color. And cuckoo, from the sound it produces. Okay, the next question number 5 is the people built huts and cabins. Why did they make these little houses? They made these little houses to live in. Where do you think they got the material to build? So they got the material from forest. Name and describe 3 other kinds of houses. So that is igloo hut, stone house and brick house. So where do seabirds usually make their nest? Name a bird which nests on the ground, pigeon in trees or bushes, and sparrow on high mountains, eagle. Okay, question number 7 is crickets are insects. Okay, so name 3 crawling insects: ants, spider and bedbugs. B part, name 3 flying insects: bee, mosquito and butterfly. The seagull is a swift, graceful bird. Name birds which are very fast flyers: falcon, able to fly only a short distance, apes, and unable to fly, kiwi. So students, learn and write this book exercise. Take care, Allah Hafiz.